Hey there, it's Mark. This is a 2021 B case. Yeah, 3 years I've been keeping it in the case. After I would do the case unboxing videos, I would just keep all the cars in the case. Except for super treasure hunts, I would set aside and I would keep them in a safe container. But otherwise, I think treasure hunts are still going to be in here. If I open up a package in the original case unboxing video, the link's in the description. I keep the card in here just so I know what I opened. But the car itself, usually I put somewhere else so that if I needed that loose car, I would, like, this is a fig rig. If I needed fig rig for a video, well, I need fig rig to be in with the other fig rig so I know where it is. Anyways, let me go ahead and get started. Now I'm going through this and deciding what I'm going to keep, what I need to save for my case unboxing videos, and the rest going on eBay. I'm going to be making 72 count cases. Now I did there's more information in the description, but yesterday when I did the A case, I figured that I'd be able to make a case of 72 cars between A and B and then make one case. I can't because there was like 25 doubles. So that means 25 doubles, and then there's 25 singles. That's only 50 cars. So anyways, the case slots, they'll be appearing in my Mr. Grooves eBay store, and they will be basically a combination of cases ABC, and then like BCD, CDE. It's going to be a combination of 3 cases. So if you were, maybe you want something from that time period, they will all be from the same time period. The Nash, part of the Legends Car Show, new for 2021. Very, very cool car. I'm definitely keeping one of these for myself. But when there was a new model, see, there would be at least 2 per case. Not only would there be at least 2 per case, it would carry over into the next case, at least 1. There'd be at least 1 in this one. Basically, you're guaranteed to have between 2 to 4 between the 2 cases. So I'm definitely keeping one for myself. Put that one on top for me, and this one I'll put in the case. Here we have the Toyota off-road truck. This was in the A case that I did. Man, the case was terrible. I had a lot of busted blisters. This one's better. I can let that one go. That one will be in the case. You'll get the good package. Here you have Zombot, the Hot Wheels car that you can stand up. Yeah, it stands up as a flat thing. This one they used to market the Rocin Santa robots, and it was holding a card. So like, look right here, right on his belly. He'll be holding a card, or the robot will be holding a card, and it says Rock'em, Sock'em. I don't know if it says robots underneath. It's too hard for me to see. But this was the only time. Normally it looks different for a Zombot, but this time they put something special for their line. I think I opened one up. I'll make sure. If I open one up already, I can let that one go. Here you have the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect casting change. I did a review on that. I'll put a link in the video. There's another one. I'll put a link in the description. I love this car, Street Wiener. It showed up in Hot Wheels Unleashed, but it was I think the first edition version. This one is the Circle Flame version. Look, yeah, basic treasure hunt. So I don't know if I have any extras of this one, so I have to keep this one for myself. I don't know. Where's this? Oh, it's hard to see. But right near my thumbnail. Can you see it on the car? No, you can't see it. It's too hard. It's behind the tire. But there's a Circle Flame logo in the livery right here. Anyways, sorry, that was for me. This was in the other case, so I can let the Uno 32 Ford go. This was in the other case. I can let you go. I'll keep one. Two Unos in this case. All of a sudden I had to pause because I thought, wait, those are the retro slot wheels. Wasn't the other one 5-spoke? No, that's retro slot wheels. I will have one for me, and the rest can go. This is a new for 2021 model. Let me check my notes. I don't know if it was new in the 2020. Is this a new model to the case? No, I think it was a new model in the A case. Anyways, Jaguar F-Type. Very nice car. English packaging. This is why I did the English packaging, because they had this little info bubble on the top, on the back, so you can check this out. The Trueno. I'll have one in the case on eBay. Now that's what the fig rig looks like. You know, where's the card? Here's the card. That's the one that I had opened up. I can let this one go. I don't have a need for a second fig rig in like a purple color. You can use minifigures, stand them up. Of course, Mattel would prefer that you use their figures, but hey, it's up to you. Here, carbonator, 2 samples. I won't need either one. It's gonna go. I opened up one of these already, X34 Landspeeder. So there'll be a couple on eBay in 2 different cases. The Barbie Dream Camper, however, this is so unique that I might need it for videos, and I have to keep it. Because what if it gets messed up? Then I need to have another sample for a video. It doesn't make sense for me to sell it, and then what happens if I need it again? Might mess up. I'll have to pay to reacquire it? No, I have it right now. It has this opening side right here. I did a review on this. This opens. Link will be in the description. Here is your jitney, or bad mint. That's Mattel's version of the Filipino jitney, right? Jeepney. Did I say jitney? Jeepney? Wow, I'm drawing a blank. It's one or the other. What's this? New Year's. Happy New Year 2021. I don't know if hopefully there's one in the next case, or I have 2, because I think I would like to keep this. Quick Bite. It's formerly known as the ice cream truck, but now they call it Quick Bite, so it can has a more. Besides, people are right now more into food trucks. Probably more food trucks than ice cream trucks. So they renamed it. But on the base, I gotta check the base. What's it say on the base? Yeah, it says right here. It says Quick Bite on the base. Hello Kitty. I don't know if I found any of these. So out of these cases, I definitely have to keep at least one. I think I found it. I don't know. I have to ask Amanda if I gave her one. Because if I gave her one, then that means maybe I was thinking I'm keeping the one out of the case. So I gave her the one I found. This one's glow in the dark. Cloak and Dagger. Maybe I gave her one because I was going to keep the one out of the case. I don't know. It doesn't know. Triumph TR6. Metallic. British green. Party Wagon. I don't know how many I found. I don't know how many of these I'm going to be able to let go. Because I think there's 2 in here. I'm going to have to keep at least one. Since I have these 2, I'll let one go. Does this one have info? Well, it's not a new model. But when it was a new model, it had that information here. This is a very cool vehicle. I know I picked up a couple extra off of Pigs. So Dodge Van, I'll put it in there. It new for 2021. Oh, this is when we lost Ryu. Ryu designed this. But he has passed away. This is one of the new models that was in this case. Nope, the previous case. Wait a second. Yeah, this is the very first appearance was in this case. This is the first color, first case was in the B case. Dodge Van. That's how they say it. I'm not picking on anybody. That's how they say it. They being people in Japan. Because what they do is they inside, it's hard to see, but there's a go-kart in there. So they would use like vans, and they would haul their go-karts for racing. Did you know that? Did you know that? Nissan 300ZX twin turbo. And I can't remember. Tens of thousands of Hot Wheels. Can't remember them all. That's another reason why I cut back. I'm going to have, different focus. 96 Porsche Carrera in white. These will be in the listings. Be included. I'm not going to sell it separate. It's going to be in the case. Because I know I picked up extras. What? 2 Porsches? They're going to be 2. Okay, I'll let them go. 89 Porsche. 944 turbo. 2 samples. Another Dodge Van. No, I'm not going to do the funny voice. What's on the bottom? Hey, I'm not keeping too many cars. I only put 2 on top so far. Sorry for the squeaky chair. If you heard it. I don't know if you heard it or not. Ooh, nice color. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. I have enough colors. This is a very nice color though. What I might do is keep one, and then later on when I look at my collection, decide, okay, I can let it go. Now this was in Hot Wheels Unleashed. This exact livery is in Hot Wheels Unleashed. Tanknator. Has a turret that moves. I don't remember if I showed it in the video. I'm pretty sure that I opened one up in a case unboxing video. Corvette, 64 Corvette Stingray. This was in the A case. 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. It looks like it's a tuned version, but it doesn't say tuned. Interesting. If I forget to look it up, if you comment, let me know if this is part of a tuned series. It looks tuned, but it doesn't say tuned. Usually they incorporate it in the name somewhere. Can't really use it for track time because it has narrow wheels in the front. See how it's sliding down? Skinny. It's skinny in the front. So I don't know if I'm going to keep that or not. Here you have the 80 El Camino. Wild art cars graphics. H on the roof. I wonder how many people could spell their name with the letters that were used for the art cars. For all the letters. I wonder how many names could be made. Dodge Power Wagon. This was in the last case, and man, the blister was terrible. It was coming off the car just like that. This one's pretty good. I'm going to let it go. And I'm not even going to sell it separate. It'll be in the bulk case with everything else. 68 Mustang. I think we used to call this the Boss Hoss Mustang. Does it say Boss Hoss on the back? Nope. Bottom, it says just 68 Mustang. Another sample. Now, Quad Rod is in Hot Wheels Unleashed, but I don't know if it's this version because it's in a sequel, Hot Wheels Unleashed 2 Turbocharged, but I don't know if it's this one. I don't have it memorized. Not important to me. That part. Fast and Furious Spy Racers. Some of these cars were released in a special line that had moving parts, but this one is not a moving parts version. New for 2021. You have Echo's electric Hyperfin is equipped with a variety of spy gadgets, including a lightning kit, booster rockets, and smoke bombs. Did you ever buy this, or did you watch it? Actually, did you watch the show? I have to keep one for me. Probably just one. I don't know if it was really released much in the singles. It really didn't get recolors, not that I recall. Maybe just discolored. There you go. Land Rover Defender 90. You know, there's people who they love to collect the Land Rover Defenders or Land Rovers. But you know what? Let's just punch out a little bit. Let's get this in. Let it go. I'm not going to. And then as soon as I lift it up, it pops back. Hey, knock it off. You're going to crack the blister. Open it up. Have fun. Tanknator. High roll-in. Rigger motor. This was in the other case. I'm going to keep one of them. Between the A case and the B case, I'm keeping one for myself for the skull wheels like that. And here we have a couple Batmobiles. These are carryover. This was in the last case. Brown Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. There's another Defender 90. Hear the helicopter? Yeah, I have the door open right now. It's kind of warm. Trying not to run the air. Just have a little fan going. I turned the fan off so it wouldn't make noise, and then I forgot about all this other noise. The HW Formula Solar. It has on top HW Formula Solar. Look, I have a bunch of green leaves on that. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty neat livery. I don't recall seeing that. I was going to say I can let them both go, but you know what? I might wind up keeping it. Now, it does say a special feature. I wonder if the top pops off. Kind of get the feeling that the top's going to pop off. Well, if it doesn't pop off, it at least opens up. Yep, one for me. Oh, twin mill. Not the tuned twin mill. See, this is what I'm talking about with the bug, right? The bug looked like it was tuned. This was definitely tuned, and they call it tuned twin mill. I'm keeping one blue, one for me, from the last case. So far only one of them. Yep, so it'll go. Volvo 850 Estate. Pretty neat. I'll keep one for myself. I only really want a couple colors of each card now. Certain models I'll buy every color. But look, most models I'm not gonna get every. Might like a couple colors. Definitely wanted to make sure I have vehicles to use for reviews and stuff, for making videos. This was in Hot Wheels Unleashed. Look, if you play the game, you buy the case, now you got the car. Glow in the dark. This was in the last one. HW Warp Speeder. Here's a look at the top. It says glow right here. There you go. Glow. I'm not going to test it. I like this car. I like it very much. Retroactive. Probably like the color. I might save one for myself. Mattel Dreammobile. That was in the last case. So what I'll do is, whatever the worst blister is, I'm just going to keep that one for myself. And Rocin Santa Sled. There you go. Xmas Delivery 2020. When I don't know if it has an yeah, it does have an actuator. Right here on this wheel, it's hard to see. There's a red bar sticking out. So when you roll the car, the driver rocks back and forth. This is in Hot Wheels Unleashed as well, the original game, but not this color. It's some different color. Oh, I thought it was done. I was getting ready to wind down. That's it. T-Rex Destroyer is in Hot Wheels Unleashed. Wait, T-Rex Destroyer. No, it's not. The other one. T-Rex Destroyer. What? I always forget the name of that dinosaur car. I guess Velociraptor, that's it. Anyways, pretty cool airplane. Poison Arrow. Let it go. Can't do it in track time. I don't particularly need a bunch of colors for me. But hey, somebody else will like it for sure. So these will be look for my case unboxing. Oh no, my stacks. Hold on. Okay, I got it. They're not gonna fall over. They'll be on eBay. Selling by the case. Not today, but I have to do a few case unboxings. A, B, C, and between A, B, C, I'll make a case. And then like B, C, D, I should have enough cars to make a second case. You'll find them in my Mr. Grooves eBay store. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.